actually. Hi guys, my Tumblr back, and today I'm showing you this new BB gun that I got for my birthday. What? It's a metal pellet BB gun, and I got it for my birthday. I like it a whole bunch. It's right there. Look, this gun is like, I like it so much. Pew pew. So yeah, like, this is my new gun I got for my birthday. It's a metal pellet BB gun, and I'm also gonna be doing some like things on it, like videos on it of me shooting things, like aiming, like aiming at stuff, like a target thing. I'm also gonna make a couple of those videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to be notified when those new videos come out. So yeah, guys, that is the end of this video. If you like, please like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and ask me what I should do in one of my new videos. Goodbye. Bye.